One evening at home, their mother spoke kindly. Some children nearby need food and medicine.
After Mom left, Hasan said softly, "We should help them." Maria nodded with a smile. At the dining table, Hasan said, "Let's organize a bake sale." Maria's eyes shone with excitement. Together, they started making a list: flour, sugar, eggs, cocoa, and sprinkles. In the kitchen, they washed their hands, wore aprons, and said gently, "Bismillah." Hasan stirred the big bowl of batter while Maria carefully measured the sugar. The cupcakes baked in the oven. A sweet smell filled the air as Hasan and Mariya peeked through the glass with excitement. The timer dinged and out came the golden cupcakes, fresh and ready. Maria added colorful icing and Hasan sprinkled toppings. They both smiled proudly. Together, they made a bright sign: Charity Bake Sale, help children in need. Outside their home, they set up a bright table with cupcakes, cookies, and a donation jar. Neighbors arrived with smiles. Hasan welcomed them warmly, and Maria offered cupcakes cheerfully. Ali bought a cookie and said, "Wow, yummy, and it helps too." Everyone around nodded happily. The donation jar filled with coins and notes. The cupcakes were almost sold out. In the evening, Hasan and Maria brought the full jar to their mother. She hugged them proudly.
Charity does not decrease wealth. Prophet S.